Big question: why is morals and values important, and how can they help us make good choices and create a better community? Folleke reflected on the importance of morals and values in shaping individuals and communities. She wondered about the guiding principles that helped people distinguish between right and wrong. One day, while playing with her friends in the neighborhood, Folleke encountered a situation where one of her friends was being teased by others. Remembering the lessons she had learned, Folleke stepped in and stood up for her friend, promoting kindness and respect. Later, Folleke's parents sat her down and explained the importance of morals and values in guiding one's actions. They discussed examples of positive behaviors, such. Through these conversations, Folleke gained a deeper understanding of the moral compass that guided her actions and the importance of treating others with respect and compassion. As Folleke reflected on her experiences, she realized that living by positive morals and values not only benefited individuals but also contributed to building strong and harmonious communities. With a newfound determination to uphold these principles, Folleke looked forward to applying them in her daily life and exploring more about the world around her.